Guys, welcome back to my channel. We're about to cook some food today. Bean is taking a nap, so I'm gonna try to put some dinner together real quick. I marinated some chicken like yesterday. I think it was yesterday. Or whatever, some chicken thighs right here. So we're about to cook this. Some chicken thighs. I think I'm gonna make some pasta with some green beans and we just gonna call it a day. It's probably gonna be the quickest meal possible because I don't know how long she's about to be asleep, and yeah, so let's get started. Yes, we've been watching Trolls all day. Well, that's not true. We went to Gymboree today. Our first class. I think she liked it. Well, I don't know. Honestly, she is her own person. So, we'll go again and see if she interacts and stuff. But she's been fighting her sleep lately, so that's a new thing. And I'm not a fan of it. I'm not a fan of her fighting her sleep because Mama got stuff to do. Okay. So okay, we got 1, 2. Let's see if we can find some pasta real quick. I know I got some. Let's see. Oh, for sure. And let's do Alfredo sauce. So, and this is the brand that I like to use. It's so good. Yes, you guys see my name on everything because my brother likes to make these creations and I don't have time for it. So let me see what else do I need in here. I think I'm good. I think I have everything that I need. So thank God I already marinated this chicken. I got green beans. I was looking for some bacon, but I didn't see any. So we'll just do these green beans. Call it a day. Yeah. All right. So let's do okay. It's getting a little spicy in here. Yeah. I am heating up my pan real quick. I need to get a pot to boil my pasta. Okay, you guys, I'm seriously falling apart because my wrist is hurting so bad. Like, I don't know what I did. I feel like it happened right after I had Roey. Like, my wrist has been hurting. My boyfriend keeps telling me that I'm washed. Okay? Do you guys know what that means? Washed, basically, like, or what's your definition of washed? And then we'll go from there. But yeah, Okay, so I just seasoned this chicken with lemon pepper seasoning, some onions in here, some garlics in here, some red peppers in here. I just threw like a whole bunch of seasonings in here, honestly. I mean, the most is like really the lemon pepper and the peppers and stuff, the bell peppers. So it's pretty good, you know. I'm really good with mixing flavors and stuff. So I don't want to leave my chicken too much because I want it to get some color. Okay? Some good color. So we just gonna throw these in the pan. Call it a day. There we go. Oh, I forgot a little piece up in there. Don't you worry. Okay, so after that, we're not throwing this away. This is the goodness, okay? We're gonna cook this later. And I also need to keep an eye on my honey. Make sure she don't wake up. Girl, look at this little girl. Can y'all see this? Look at her. Hold on. Do you guys see her moving? I don't even know if that's gonna help. Anyways, she's up, okay? So I will be back because I have to go and get her. Okay. Do you want to say hi? You don't want to say hi? Look at you. Look. No? Okay. Let's go sit down. No, you won't. You can sit down. Mom got some TV. Sit down. Yeah. Look at you. Okay. Tearing up their fingers. Okay. So chicken is sizzling. Got my water boiling. So this pasta in here with this sauce. Then I think I'm gonna throw this chicken in the oven. So let's do. Okay. I'm trying to make it. No. Well, we don't really need this plate no more. Watching you, Roey. Mommy is watching you, girl. Are you gonna help me cook? What are you doing? Here. Put your covers on. It's a little nippy down here. A little nippy. Here. You want your buddy? Okay. Alright, you don't want the covers on? Give me them toes. Can I have them toes? Please stop bucking your eyes like that, Ro. Boom. Boom. Hi. Hi. No, you're not feeling it? Here. Okay, you want to spit?